Hi, my dear friends. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, belated New Year wishes. I'm happy to meet you in another video session, and in this video, I'm going to create a robot using UiPath to skip ads in YouTube. My friend Mano has challenged me to create this because he feels that this is the most repeated work he has been doing these days while listening to some video courses or listening to music or videos. So in order to design this robot, we have certain steps to be followed, which are as follows. So let me open this notepad and type the steps, which is launch YouTube, launch YouTube in a browser to search for your favorite program, and 3, play the playlist. 4 is skip ad. Skip ad. Let me walk through the solution that I have created. So as you can see, so there is a launch YouTube step, so it's launch for the YouTube, and I have created this search. They enter the search button. So I'm going to input a search text. So input search text is a string variable. So I am searching for the latest English hit songs 21. So this has been parameterized, and I'm clicking on the songs, search songs. So this will perform the operation and bring me the list of playlist, and I'm going to check the first playlist, so which is the most hit, so it comes first. So I'm interested to play the first playlist, and this section is the check for ads and skip them. So first of all, when I create this browser, so I save it in the YouTube as the UI browser. So the main reason being, so every time there is a song played, the title gets changed. So I'm just checking, getting the title from the browser using the youtube.element.getTitle.toString. So I'm getting the title. So initially I put the skip ad as false. Now I'm checking for ads, and if the ad is true, then I'm going to skip the ad, otherwise I'm going to do nothing. And this I am going to put in a loop and check for every time. So every second, so it's going to check, the robot is going to check for me whether there is a this ad, and it's going to click on the skip. So now let's do a run and see how it works. Okay, all right, are you ready? Okay, let's click on the run to check how it works. Now I'm expecting to launch the browser, and you can see the browser is launched, and it's just entered the input text, which is the latest hit songs 2021, and clicked on the search, and it clicked on the first playlist, and we are lucky that we got the ad first, and it's going to skip the ad now. That's all. See, it skipped the ad, and we can listen to the uninterrupted song. Yeah, and now the robot is looking each and every second for the skip button, and if it finds, it's going to check it out. Cool. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So if you publish it to Orchestrator and run it from the assistant, so it will be even more exciting. So it doesn't matter whatever songs or playlist you play, If the robot finds the skip button, it will just skip it for you. and makes our life so easy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let's meet in another interesting video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you very much.